Y'all, I got this sauce from Aldi, and I'll tell y'all about that in another video. But I want to see if it tastes good. I can't remember how much it was. I wish I did. But I love this stuff. So this is going to be my supper. This makes 2 meals. So it'll be my supper tonight and tomorrow. But normally what I do is I boil it in a pot with some water. But I think instead of doing that, I am just going to put the sauce in there and put the pasta in there and let it cook that way. It does say on here, boil 3 to 4 minutes. But can't you boil it in the pasta sauce 3 to 4 minutes? I think so. Let's do it. I washed my pot because it looked like it hadn't been washed. There was some ring around the, oh, do y'all remember those commercials, ring around the collar? I'm going to open up my sauce and pour it in here. All right, let's get this in here. It's going to splatter everywhere. I'm going to rinse this jar out with some water. I need to do my dishes. That'll help give it a little more saucy sauce in the pot, don't you reckon? Let me put that lid on straight because I could see it making a mess. Oh, it already did. John Brown it. I just knew I had it on there right. All right, I'm going to let that come to a warm, I can't say warm, boil, simmer before I add the pasta in there. I added some pepper. I started stirring. I was like, oh, wait, I'm recording a video. I did add pepper. Y'all know me and some pepper. So it's starting to come to a little simmer. So I want to put the pasta in there. Well, and hold on a minute. There we go. Now I am putting in the pasta without recording too, by George. These are stuck together. Just gonna undo them. I'm just gonna lay them in there strategically so maybe they won't stick together. Yeah, there we go. Now we're just gonna let it boil away. She's boiling away, so I turned her down just a little bit. And I thought I cleaned up all the mess, but I didn't. There we go. I can't wait to eat it. Y'all, this is what's left over. As you see, I've changed nightgowns because I put it in my beautiful bowl. Whoops. With Princess Belle enchanting. And splattered it all over my face, all over my neck, all over my arm. I have little blisters on my arm. Not too terribly sure if you can see them or not. Yeah, it was a little warm. It got all over my nightgown. Got on some body parts that it didn't need to be on. Yeah, but it was delicious. So, anyway, I hope this video put some yummy in tummy and a smile in your heart. Because, by George, it burnt the dickens out of my arm. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.